All right, they're gonna strap me in here. This big giant contraption here.
Tour guy. Public relations.
My life is in your all's hands here, you know. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna get you to. Alright, your right. So your left arm goes under there.
Let me see. Let me get my camera and set it out like this. So.
No, other way. There you go.
Okay.
Your other arm through. Got you straight there.
Okay.
Get you. You want to worry about the leg buckles, or? Cause I ain't gonna kill you.
Well, I hope not. Just don't hurt me too bad.
I'm not. All right, now
is that good?
If you'll just turn right straight around, you can get that cord off of you.
Okay.
You'll have more room.
All right. Let me grab my camera here.
Smooth and easy.
All right.
The name of the game, Toad.
Way up there. Put me to work.
It's all in part of riding, isn't it?
Alright. It's better than any amusement park ride.
Yep.
Going up. You better hold on tight to this thing. Just don't look down, right?
You ain't gotta worry about the fall. The fall don't hurt. It's a sudden stop at the end of the fall. That's gonna hurt.